Hello friends, in last video I told you about arrangement of leaves and types of leaves. Let's continue with functions of leaves. Leaves are the most important part of a plant and these perform various functions, but the main two functions of a leaf are, the first one is photosynthesis and another one is transpiration. In photosynthesis, see what happened. It is the most important function a plant do. Plants are having capacity to perform to manufacture their own food. That's why those are called autotrophs. Auto, self, trophs, nourishment. Self-nourishment. Why plants are called autotrophs? Because they are capable of producing their food. That's why those are called autotrophs. They can prepare their food. Their food they can prepare with the help of chlorophyll, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. That's why plants are called autotrophs, because they are capable of preparing their food. Now photosynthesis is production of food. Photosynthesis means production of food. Here is photo. Photo means sunlight, and synthesis. Synthesis is manufacturing or formation of, or combining with the combination of some, combining. Photosynthesis, sunlight with the help of sunlight, formation of food with the combination of some things. Now see what happened in photosynthesis. Plant use in the presence of sunlight, in the chlorophyll of plant, in the chlorophyll present in leaves, plant prepare food. It take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, then mix it with water, H2O water, then it prepare C6H12O6. It is the glucose, and the site of photosynthesis is chlorophyll. Where it take place? In the chlorophyll, in the presence of sunlight. Photosynthesis is the process which take place in the presence of sunlight. It doesn't happen in night. During night it doesn't happen. Carbon dioxide plus water, formation of glucose C6H12O6, and then it will release O2, oxygen. It will release oxygen in the atmosphere. Now what is the significance of photosynthesis? There are two significances of photosynthesis. First one, we are getting food from the photosynthesis in the form of glucose, and this food not only for the plant but also for other animals. For the consumption of other animals also. So first one is preparation of food which take place here during photosynthesis, And another one, second significance is release of oxygen as a byproduct, which support life on earth, which support life on earth. So these are the two significance of photosynthesis: production of food and release of oxygen as byproduct. Now the second main function of leaf is transpiration. Let's explain it. Now what is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial parts of a plant. Transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial parts of a plant. In transpiration, loss of water takes place and it develops two effects. First one, cooling effect. And second one is transpirational pull. Now, what happened? In transpiration, when the loss of water takes place from the surface of the leaf, it needs some energy to evaporate the water in the form of water vapor. So, this energy is taken from the plant or tree. The energy, when the water will take energy from the plant, then it will change the water into water vapor, and this will evaporate out into the atmosphere. So indirectly it will create a cooling effect in the plant. Plant will cool down. You will feel cool inside a plant, not only due to the shade of the plant but also due to this cooling effect also, because water is changed into the water vapor. This due to this cooling effect. Now second one is transpirational pull. What is transpirational pull? It is when the water changes into the water vapor, then it creates a suction force. It creates a suction force in leaves and in whole vascular tissue, due to which root will be able to absorb water and mineral from the soil, and then due to this transpirational pull the water will go up and will conducted in the different parts of the plant. In this way, this transpirational pull, when the water will loss from air in leaves, it will create a transpirational pull and root will be able to absorb the water and mineral, and then it will conduct upward towards the different parts of the plant, towards the leaves. This is called transpirational pull. So these two are the significance of transpiration. These two are significance of transpiration. It create a cooling effect, and secondly it create transpirational pull in it. So there is an activity for transpiration to demonstrate that a plant leaves water during transpiration. For this, what you have to do, just take two potted plants take 2 pot, one plant with leaves and another plant, remove the leaves of the another plant, then put a polythene on it, polythene bag on it, on both plants. Now after 5-6 hours you will find there are some water drops you will find in first pot. In first pot you will find some water drops. Water drops will be present within the polythene bag. But after 5-6 hours you will not find any water drop inside this bag of second pot, because this means this is the experiment to demonstrate that a plant releases or loses water by its leaves. When you will do this activity, you will find the difference in both plants, and this will show you that there is loss of water take place during transpiration from the leaves. Okay, thank you.